How to unarchive stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your top right, go to the menu bar. Now go to archive. Go to stories archive. Make sure the story you are unarchiving is recently archived or archived within 24 hours of upload. Now, in order to unarchive it, go to More and then there you will see an option of Unarchive. You can also go to Share and then reshare it in your story again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.